Are you looking for an affordable and specialized hail damage roof repair company here locally? I know it's rare, but sometimes we do get hit with hail and it can cause damage to our roofs. Here's the problem. Hailstones vary in size and shape and hardness and can cause serious damage, maybe like what you're experiencing now. When hail hits the roof, it takes the granule off the shingles and it leaves all kinds of little holes, hundreds of them all over your roof, and you don't want holes as this can cause leaks the next times that it rains. Many times it'll break the shingle completely, and what you need to do is have shingle replacement. We can fix this easily for you. We have fixed many roofs with hail damage in the area, and we can help you right now. Just call us. We can deal directly with your insurance company for you, so it's absolutely zero headache for the home and business owner. So if you've experienced roof damage or home damage here locally from the last hail that we had, just give us a call. We are professionals at what we do, and we are always here to help our clients every way possible. So call us on the number below right now, and we look forward to speaking with you.